Welcome to MyKidReports. Today we're exploring the Reports section, the place where you can generate all kinds of detailed reports for your center in just a few clicks. When you open Reports from the left side menu, you'll see all the report categories available for your school: attendance, staff, activities, billing, students, wellness, contacts, forms, enrollment, food program, and subsidy. All of these help you access important information quickly and in a well-organized format. For demonstration, let's generate an activity report. Click on Activities, and you'll arrive on the Activity Reports page. Here, let's look at every field. First, choose the report type. We'll keep it on Activities. Next, select the start date and end date. This allows you to pull reports for any date range you want. Then choose the activity type, like food, potty, notes, naps, and many more. You can also select all if you want everything. In Group, you can choose to view activities for all students, or you can filter by a specific room or a specific student. Once everything is selected, click Generate Report. And just like that, your detailed report appears below, listing all activities recorded between the dates you selected. Now you have three options. You can print the report, export it as a PDF, or email it directly. When you click Email, your school email address is already filled in. You can edit, delete, or add additional email addresses, and simply click Save. The report will be sent instantly. And that's it. You can generate any other report listed on the main reports page using the exact same process. If you ever need a report that's not currently available, simply email us at support@mykidreports.com or click on your profile icon and select Contact Support. Send us a message and we'll be happy to add that report for you. Start your free trial today and experience how MyKidReports can simplify childcare management for you.